Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today what we're going to be doing is repairing the driveway. So we've gotten a lot of rain and a lot of snow melt, so it's starting to get a little bit sloppy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this driveway drag that I've made and I'm going to resurface it and pull up some of the stones and then box plate it with the back part. So sit back and enjoy. Here we go. So here's what it looks like right now. So the tire tracks and the mud is starting to come up. So this is after I do the first stage. This is where I'm just plowing it with the fence posts. It does a pretty good job at breaking up the upper layer. It breaks it up and then it gives me something to box blade. All right, so for the second stage, what I need to do is I need to lift my drop hitch. And this is real simple, a few easy steps. First thing I do, unhook this, set it off to the side. Then I can easily take my pins out. Then raise it up to the top and put my pins back in. Okay, and lift this back up. And put the key in. Now from here, as you can see, I've got about a finger's width underneath the blades, and the box blade is touching the ground. So I usually run a few passes with the weight on, and then I try it without the weight to see what looks better. So this is what it looks like after the second stage. The box blade is starting to level everything out and it's starting to fill in the ruts that the posts create. And then after this is the third stage, which is rolling. Well, there you have it. We're all done for the spring. Now we'll just wait till the summer so everything will dry out, and then I'll hit this again and make it look like brand new stone. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, this is the easy way to do things. We'll see ya.